Sitting up straight, feet on the floor, your hips and spine and neck, head aligned. Take in a breath through your nose and breathing out, release all tension, all stress. It is through practice that we conditioned ourselves to believe in separation, to believe that we are lacking, unworthy, and not good. It is through practice, through conscious reconnection, through dedicated practice that we reopen ourselves to the memory that we are always connected with Love Source, to the high frequency of love, and that this is who and what we are and always remain as. It took time and experiences. It took memorization of lesser, denser emotions and thoughts to come to believe that we are unlovable and unworthy, that we are separate from one another, from all in the world, from Source. Through intentional practice, repetition, we reawaken the memory, the knowing within ourselves that we are never separated. One and the same, I and I, the great I am, that is the whole. And what is this whole but pure love? The high-toned frequencies that heal and restore and align. Perfect balance. Every aspect of ourself, from the smallest infinite particle essence up through every aspect that creates the physical self. It took time and memorization to believe that we are unworthy and disconnected, that we are unlovable. Those are the myth, the lies of the past. And while they attempt to haunt stored in cellular memory an emotional dragging up of the past, we now, through conscious intent, relearn to open our heart center, rooted, grounded, sharing the light, the energy, the essence that comes through with the earth, with all in and through and upon her, and through the heart, up through the voice, the third vision, the crown energy center, the layered energy and etheric bodies around our form. We consciously connect and open the doorways wide in recollection and living embodiment of the love we are and never once truly ceased to be. Take in a breath through your nose and breathing out, release all tension, all stress. And again, breathing in. Moving the energy, the light, the essence, the life force, the air into your body. Imagine it filling and rolling through from your nasal passages down your throat, filling your lungs, and moving from there outward through your body, through your heart, through your bloodstream. As you exhale, breathing in light, energy, essence flowing through your form, relaxation, calm, and willingness to be present here in the moment. And breathing out, releasing tension, releasing unworthiness, and with each continual breath, intentionally taking in air, get aware it is life force divine spirit energy flowing through your form, nourishing all physical components, all physical aspects, and letting go tension, thoughts of hardness and dis-ease. And continue breathing in this manner, imagining or thinking of the body not only releasing air and breath and tension from your muscles, from your cells and your bones, your blood, but that it is literally flowing through and shaking free the debris of a lifetime of ill thinking. And breathing in. Taking in now love and joy, calmness and rejuvenation, and willingness to experience different in the world. And allowing it, knowing it flows through your body, every level and layer. Breathing out. Consciously, with full intention, expanding out from your heart center, out from your physical form, from your mind, into the energy space all around you, endless. And notice you are in an endless ocean of love, pure, unconditional love. It unfolds everything within it. This is the love that exists always. It is the love we were birthed and created from. Simply be in the space of love. And move about your day, continuing observation and surrender into the ultimate love. Peace be, shine bright and be the peace.